Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. This is the fourth video of my India to Vietnam series. In this video, we will cover things to do in Da Nang. And in my previous videos, I have covered Hanoi and Ha Long Bay, and you can find the links to those videos in the description box. So after enjoying our time in Hanoi, we took a Vietjet flight from Hanoi to Da Nang. Da Nang is a city in the central part of Vietnam. And this time I booked an airport pickup from booking.com using my cashback reward points in the booking.com. So the airport pickup taxi costed me nothing. My cheapest hotel booking in my entire Vietnam trip was in Da Nang because I got the hotel for rupees 1500 INR per day for two people including breakfast. So that was really cheap as compared to any other hotel I booked in my entire Vietnam travel. I had booked this hotel called Menora Premium Da Nang, and the best thing about this hotel is its location because it is located quite near to the Mai An beach, which is a great place to enjoy your leisurely time in Da Nang in the morning or evening time. So by the time we reached our hotel, it was already quite late. So we went for the dinner to an Indian restaurant nearby our hotel, which was called Maharaja Indian Restaurant. The food was really good here. On the next morning, after having a decent breakfast at the hotel, we booked a Grab taxi from our hotel to Bana Hills. There are many options to reach Bana Hills. Either you can take any group tour which is offered by either hotels or travel agents in Vietnam, or you can even book your travel using websites like Klook.com. After reaching Sun World Bana Hills, we purchased the ticket for the Bana Hills, which costed around rupees 3000 INR per person. And this ticket included the entry to your cable car and the Golden Bridge, French Village and Le Jardin Garden. So all the experiences at Bana Hills are included in this ticket. From there we walked to the ropeway station from where we got our cable car. And the amazing fact about Bana Hills cable car is that it holds the world record for longest non-stop single track cable car at 5801 meters in length. So after this long ropeway ride, we reached to the top of the Bana Hills. And after reaching there, our first destination was the Golden Bridge. Golden Bridge is an amazing architectural construction, and it is situated at a height of 1400 meters above the sea level and is about 150 meters long. The name Golden Bridge comes from the fact that the railing of this bridge are in the golden color, and the image of a couple of ancient hands, like the hands of mountain god, lifting the bridge towards the blue sky with deep green forests below, is not inferior to any blockbuster scenes. After the Golden Bridge, we went to the Le Jardin d'Amour garden, and this garden is like being lost in a paradise of flowers. It has almost 1,000 different species of flowers in a world of colors: yellow, red, pink, purple, white, blue, in a romantic setting. And the pleasant climate makes your heart flutter. So this is the place where you will get excited and fascinated, and you can take thousands of amazing photographs here. I found this garden to be similar to the Miracle Garden of Dubai, and the people who visit this garden have given it a name of a flower garden of love. After that, we went to the French Village. The French Village is designed as a miniature version of France, and it is simulating French buildings such as squares, churches, towns and hotels. And this place has a lot of pointed roof structures standing close together, and at this place you will feel like you are stepping into a fairy tale. So overall you can spend 5 to 6 hours at Bana Hills and enjoy the amazing places here. And I would suggest you to carry some snacks, water and wear comfortable shoes for a lot of walking, and also carry an umbrella or jacket depending on the season. French Village was our last stop at the Bana Hills. After that, we took a cable car back to the base of the Bana Hills, and from there, we booked a grab taxi back to our hotel in Da Nang. And after taking some rest at our hotel in Da Nang, we went on to the Mai An beach, which was walkable from our hotel. And this beach offers an amazing vibe where people come for morning and evening walks, and in the evening there are lots of cafes and restaurants which are open, and you can enjoy some really great food here. And after enjoying our time at the beach, we went back to the hotel, and on the next day we will be going to Hoi An, which is just 40 kilometers away from Da Nang, and I will cover that in my next video. So stay tuned and thank you.